thinking that this isn't doing a lot out here, so I'm thinking of bringing it into the kitchen and setting up a sort of stand for seedlings next to the radiator, and hopefully we can bring on some seeds, because what's in there isn't growing. See you in the kitchen. Right, so the plan is to get rid of that, move the table over, put a shelf in by the radiator with that on top, and hopefully I might be able to start germinating some of these seeds, because these are tropical seeds that I got from the Grow Paradise Club, and they're just not doing anything in the greenhouse. So I'm hoping that plugged in here next to the radiator, things will start to germinate. Right, this is the end of the week, the 25th of January, and it's a lot milder. It's about 9 degrees C at the moment, and here I'm chatting away about the arch there, which has been blown over, and I'm going to put it back and tie wrap it onto those posts. I bought a new microphone so that you could hear me, and I forgot to switch it on. And here I'm telling you about these cycling gloves that I found in my husband's garage. Never been used, that he bought for me so I could use them for cycling, but I haven't used them. They still have the label on and everything, but I thought ideal for working in the garden, because you still got your fingertips, and there I am trying to get only one finger in each hole, making a bit of a mess of it, but there you are. So here I'm talking about how that bench I'm leaning up against, it comes out into the middle of the greenhouse, and I want to put it up against one of the walls so I've got more space. I want to put it there. I can't put it against the other wall, which I'm pointing to, because that's not where the electrics are, and my husband's put the electrics in the middle there, because that's where I told him I wanted it. So he wouldn't be happy if I changed my mind. So that's the plan. So what you're going to see now is time lapse of me moving everything around, because it took a good hour. So I'm going to do it on time lapse. Right, so here I'm saying now it took a good hour. I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and now I'm ready to start sowing the seeds. So thanks for watching and bye for now.